Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices held steady as investors awaited US inflation data to gauge the interest rate outlook and kept an eye on the Middle East as geopolitical tensions eased, while palladium and platinum saw sharp rises. A battered dollar is taking another beating as investors, unnerved by fresh signs of an erosion in US central bank independence, waste no time in pushing the greenback back to its lowest levels in over 3 years. The price of Pi Network's token has surged by 38% this week, ahead of an expected announcement involving artificial intelligence, fueling chatter about a possible partnership with Google.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.